So we were in the middle of page number 3 when I got cut off. So this is what we had so far. We had 174 pages. He read 120 pages as well, and he needs to finish the book with some amount of pages, and he read a 340-page book. So what we did was we took 174 plus 120 and got 294. So now this is our new equation. We have 294 plus n equals 340. So to solve this, since this is a positive number, we're going to have to minus 294 from this side and minus 294 from this side. And when you minus 340 minus 294, that leaves us with 46 pages. Okay? I would like you to try 4 and 5 for me, please. So read it, write the equation, and solve it. And then when you're done, come back and I will give you the answers to check your work. Okay, so you should have completed these questions. So the next question, number 4. Lauren had a piece of ribbon that was 36 inches long. She cut a number of 3-inch pieces. She has 15 inches of ribbon left. How many 3-inch pieces did she cut? Okay, so to do this problem, we are going to do, let me get a different color really fast. We will do 36 minus n times 3 equals 15. Now, if you notice right here, the n is a negative number. It's negative, and we can't have our n be negative. So in the process, we have to get this n to this side. But first, we're going to divide. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 36 divided by 3 and 15 divided by 3 to get rid of this 3. So when we take 36 divided by 3, we get 12. So now you have 12 minus n equals, and then when you take 15 divided by 3, you get 5. Okay? Now we need to get this n positive. So our next step is to do 12 equals 5 plus n. Now this n is positive, we're good to go. So now we need to get the n by itself. So now we need to minus 5 from both sides. So when you take 12 minus 5, you get 7. So 7, n equals 7 students. Okay? That is it for 19. Let us flip over to page 420. Okay? So we are doing the same things that we were doing on the page before. So it says write an equation and solve the problem. So there are 47 students in the marching band. So I'm going to write 47. 47 students in the marching band. Okay. There are 5 students in the first row, and the rest are in equal rows of 6. How many students are in each of the rows? And I just realized we are still on page 419, so please excuse my mistake. So 47 is our total number of students in the band, okay? There are 5 students in the first row, okay? And then the rest are in equal rows of 6. So we are taking n times 6. And that is supposed to be like that. There we go. Okay, so to solve, we first have to start with minusing 5 from this side of the equation. So to do that, you would take 47 minus 5. And when you do that, you get 42. So now our new equation is 42 n times 6. Now, to get n by itself, you're going to have to do the opposite of timesing, which is dividing. So you're going to divide 6 from each side. So you're going to take 42 divided by 6. And when you take 42 divided by 6, your n will equal 7 students. Okay, that is the end of the second part of our lesson. I believe this is number 2. If you have questions, rewatch it. Otherwise, you may move on to the lesson.